Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use our default presets module template that is developed by QAsia to help you create your own room or system preset for your system, for your own project. Alright. In this presets demo CVCP file, I've inserted the following devices: a Bravia TV and a VP27 third-party devices, and a QUnit UniQ7. Alright. To set up the system, drag and drop all the modules devices into the configuration window. Connect up the TV to IR1, the serial of the switcher 1 to serial 1. After doing this, go to panel 1, go under modules in panel 1 under my project instances. Double click on it, you will see the list of modules that are defaulted available inside Touch Panel 1. Right click on the Touch Panel 1 modules and import a new module. Download the presets modules from our website, okay, and import it. Alright, look for the presets.cvcm file, okay. However, when you download the preset module from our website, it may be in zip format, so you have to unzip the CVCM file and put it inside a directory that you can find, and look for it using the Explorer here, and double click on the presets.cvcm file and insert the module. Alright, to create presets, double click on the presets module that you have inserted, go all the way up to the beginning of the presets module file. Alright, I've actually included commands inside the modules, allowing you to easily use the module, alright, for your own presets. Alright, so as you can see here, there are description of the module, the usage tip on how to change this preset module to the module you need. Alright, when you move lower, alright, maximum presets here actually signifies the number of presets you want this preset module to handle. Let's keep it as 5. However, if you have more presets or less presets, you can easily change the maximum preset here to the value you want. Okay, next is that you have to give names to each and every preset you want to handle. So by default, I've named it preset 1 to preset 5 for all the 5 presets. If you have more presets, you can easily copy a new line here. Alright. Alright, and change this to 6. Okay, and also change the maximum preset to 6. This way I've got 6 presets in the system. Alright, and this is changing the name. And to change the handling of the event, you have to go into the process called execute preset. Okay, under execute preset, there's a select statement which selects the preset number, alright, and handle the preset here. Alright, to handle the presets, what you need to do is to remove the wait statement, alright, and you can insert. Let's say if I want this for preset number 1, I want to switch on the TV, you need to just do this, drag and drop the power on command from the TV, and drag and drop the switcher command if you want to switch on, okay, when you actually power on the TV. And what you can also do is that you can also put a wait in between. Let's say if you power on the TV, you want to wait for 2 seconds before you switch on the switcher. All you need to do is just to do this. Alright, so you may insert all the events, alright, you may insert all the presets you need to do, alright, here. So you may have multiple presets. Alright, maybe the last preset is a power off command. Okay, so you may insert as much commands as you need within the preset handling function, within the preset handling command codes itself. Okay, and replace it with the type of event you want to handle. So basically what signifies an event is usually a sequence of happenings, okay, or a sequence of instructions you need to send to the various equipment. to actually set the room up for a certain purpose. Let's say for example, you want to set it up for a movie, so you might switch on the projector, and you might want to dim the lights. You might also want to close the curtain and switch on the DVD player or Blu-ray player for the matter. Alright, so this sequence of events or this sequence of commands can be all inserted here. Alright, with the appropriate weight inside to prevent equipment from interfering with each other when you set it up. Alright, so after you have done all the setup here, alright, you need to be able to call the preset and use the preset, right? So in order for you to use the preset, you have to create buttons on the touch panel for each individual preset. Okay, go to touch panel 1, Windows. Alright, insert a graphic collection. Right click on the My Project Resources, insert, and basic container, and insert buttons. Alright, after you have done this, go under basic container, drag and drop the full screen window, double click on it, drag and drop the basic button here. Alright, you can drag and drop a few buttons to set it to the different preset. So I have preset 1, 2, and 3 here. Alright, next is that link these buttons to the preset. Alright, right click event on push. Alright, I'll go under preset and I'll I'll use the command set preset here. Okay, sorry, undo. I'll drag and drop the set preset command into this process. Alright, the new preset number I'm going to use is 1. And for this one, for this button, same thing, set preset, but this time 2. Next button, events, set preset, this time 3. Alright, so with this, I have successfully done a set preset command for the each and every button on the system. Alright, and before I can do any simulation, okay, I have to go to the main module, auto execute, double click on it. I have to show object application. I just need to start sim debug, and the buttons will be available here. So as you can see, once I click on the thing, you'll see the infrared and serial being executed one after another. Okay. Alright, as you can see here, the serial is being executed. Basically, because the Bravia TV is an infrared device, alright, when you power on the TV, you only send the infrared pulse once to the TV. The next press on any button, when you want to do a power on, you'll find that the TV is not, the Bravia TV module will not send any more infrared signal to power on the TV because it's already on. Alright, so next we can try to insert preset 5, which is power off. Right click event on push. This time I will do a set preset 5. Alright, so I power on. You can see IR lit up and the RS232 lit up after 2 seconds after it. And when you do a power down, you will also see an infrared lit up, and that's it. Okay, so basically we have successfully done the event. Alright, to be able to know what's the current status of the event and whether the event is busy or is doing something, alright, how would you do feedback on the panel so that you can see the event that's happening? Alright, to do that, what we can do is that we can, under the touch panel, alright, full screen window 1, I can insert a text box, insert labels, okay, drag and drop the static text label into it, okay, set the text to nothing. Alright, so what I want to do is that go to touch panel 1, under the modules preset, right click on the preset events, preset begin, and handle preset begin, and as well as handle preset end. So these two presets will be generated when the presets is being executed, and this preset end will be generated when the preset finish or completes execution. Alright, the variable that will be thrown in is the new preset number, or the preset that's going to be executed, as well as the name of the preset. Alright, so what I want to do is that I want to set this name of the preset that's been generated into the text box. Okay, so what I'll do now is that I'll create a myMText variable, okay, for me to create the text string, okay, and I'll do a format text command, okay, and taking mtext. Format text is actually a command that allows me to format a text string, okay, using the format string specification that I have passed in on the next parameter. Alright, to find out more about the functionality of format text, you may go to help, content, okay, commands, text, under format text. Alright, okay, and you can see what is the specification, or the format text specification that is available for you to choose. So for this case, what I'm going to do for format text is that I'm going to put in the number, preset number. I'm also going to put in the name of the preset, okay, which is a text. Alright, preset number, so I'll just put in preset executed, okay, and the number, preset, okay, number executed, and the name of the preset, okay, with an exclamation mark behind. Alright, and what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to put this information on the text label that I created just now. Go to full screen window 1, static text, set text command, drag and drop this in and put this mtext into it. Alright, when the preset ends, okay, I'm going to change the label to complete. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake, so you have to put an S inside here. Alright, so you have to put variable mtext s text, okay, of size 32. So let's do a start simulation. So as you can see here, after the process completed, okay, you will see the final printout. Okay. So when one preset is being executed, when you press on other preset, you realize that the preset doesn't work. Okay, this is actually automatically handled in the preset module when you try to set another preset during the preset execution. So the system will actually ignore the button press when you try to set the preset to another preset when the preset is running. Alright, so this is to protect against any conflicts in preset execution. Alright, so with this, I would like to end my short demo on presets. Alright, you please feel free to download our presets module from our website and look at the commands inside the preset module on how to change the preset module to match your own needs. With this, I will end this video session. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.